So late night yappings, right? I think most times I am very, very, very delusional because most times I'm very delusional because I bought a dress. I bought a dress like 3 years ago. In size large. And I was saying to myself, like, the dress could fit me then, right? And in my head, I feel like I'm losing weight. So if in my head I feel like I'm losing weight, then that means naturally the dress is going to still fit me. 3 years later, I'm going to my closet, like trying to find some clothes and stuff, doing a little closet clear out, see what I have, what I need to get, and so on. I try on the dress. Why the dress can't fit me? Like, in my head, me I lose weight, so why the dress can't fit me? Why the dress can't fit me?